It's Thredup Thursday, and today we're going to open one of my favorite rescue boxes, the Thredup Fun Box. You guys, I realized like a few weeks ago, maybe like a month ago, anyways, that I was almost out of fun boxes, y'all. The last one that I opened on the channel was my last in my stash. And I was like, OMG, I'm almost out of fun boxes. So every time that they've restocked and I've seen them, I've gone ahead and grabbed a few. This one is my most recent one that just arrived. I have one other that I ordered on a different restock. And then on the first restock that I saw after I realized, OMG, I ordered two because you guys, in a couple of weeks, I'm going to be doing a battle of the fun boxes with my friend Jill. I've talked about her a couple times on the channel. She's the one that encouraged me to start my YouTube channel 4 years ago. And she's been on my channel once before. We did a battle of the designer men's boxes. We went to college together and we're getting together for our annual girls trip and decided we're going to open some fun boxes. So I will be having that coming in 2 weeks, and I have two saved from the same restock for us to open together. So make sure to tune in for that. If you're not familiar with the fun boxes, you guys, they are $34.99 plus shipping and plus tax. So for me, here in Texas, it comes to about 50 bucks. You get 10 miscellaneous items. So, I mean, we're expecting some socks, maybe some jewelry, pajamas, accessories, lots of accessories, okay? And sometimes things that you don't even know what they are. I love doing these because you truly never know what you're going to get. And I just love surprises, you guys. So we're going to get into this one. Before we do, I want to point out what I'm wearing today. I am wearing this gorgeous, stunning necklace that I pulled out of the jewelry jar that I opened on Tuesday. If you happen to miss that video, I will link it above, you guys. That was my big jar that I've been saving behind me, and I finally got that one opened, and it was awesome, okay? This was probably my favorite piece, aside from like, I also love faceted beads, and there were a lot of faceted beads in there. You guys, this one was amazing. It's got some onyx, which y'all know I love, turquoise, really bright pieces of dyed howlite, these amazing like flower cutouts of like tiger's eye, and the huge, gorgeous pieces of coral, which I also love coral. I pretty much love everything. So my plan was, you guys, for my fit today, that I was going to stack my wrists in coral bracelets because, you know, I love coral, and do a red nail and a red lip. Okay, but something really amazing happened today and it totally changed my fit. Okay. And hopefully some of you can understand how exciting this is for me. Many of you have asked me what color red I use for my red lip because, listen, it's hard to find a good red. And many of you know I also only use natural makeup because I am a melanoma survivor and I try to go all natural with my skincare, my hair care, and my makeup. So I use one particular brand for my lipstick and another particular brand for my lip gloss, okay? Anyways, for the lipstick, the color is called Almost Red, and it's by a brand called Made. Okay, but my favorite lip color by them, you guys, is called Sexy Errands. I mean, because who am I? Okay, I am Sexy Errands. And you guys, I lost it like a year ago. And it's been out of stock on their website literally for a year, okay? Like I'm refreshing Thredup and I'm refreshing the makeup site. Okay. Y'all, I found it this morning. I went to go pull out my lipstick and you guys, it was in my drawer the whole time. That should tell you how messy my cosmetics drawer is, you guys. Anyways, I found Sexy Errands and so I had to wear it today. So the red lip, the red nail went out the window. I don't even care. I'm wearing Sexy Errands today, you guys. So I thought I would show you. This is the color. I love it. It's a shimmer and it's a very great pinky, like neutral. Okay. I love it. So I'm wearing Sexy Errands today and that's what we're going with. So enjoy the necklace and enjoy the Sexy Errands. We'll get ready to open this fun box. This one is coming to us from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, which they all are, you guys. And they've been pretty good lately. So we're hoping for another good one. And I am going to, I cut the tape, okay, right here. So I'm going to swing around and we'll do the first peek together. I'm enjoying doing that with you guys, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to do our first peek. So the receipt was right on top. I ordered this one on April the 15th. So this is my most recent. And we're going to see, hopefully Thredup did another really good job with this fun box. Here we go. Okay, so we got some air pockets. Ooh, it looks like we have kind of a mint green and like neutral. A lot of greens in here, you guys. Yay! Oh, I love a good themed box. I love when they, oh my gosh, y'all, my last color themed box is one of my favorites. If you guys missed that video, I'll link it above. It had lots of pastels in it and things like that. It looks like we have some mint green in here. And I see another mestizo. So I'm gonna take a couple thumbnails and then we'll dig into this box together. All right, y'all, let's see what we got in this fun box. If you are interested in purchasing anything you see in this box, I do sell for my YouTube videos. All you have to do is send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com. I do my invoicing through PayPal, and then I just ship to you directly. It's super easy, you guys. So just do it that way if you see something that you want to purchase. I will probably have most pricing on the screen, unless I know the price off the top of my head, then I will just say it. So I can't wait to see what Thredup sent us, and I'm very excited that we have a color-themed box. Okay, so I'm going to go right off the top. It looks like we have some maternity tights. Okay, these are by Playtex, and I'm assuming that these are like supportive and also not too tight on your baby bump. So let's see. Flexes to fit, designed for the growing belly and comfortable waistband. This is in a large, extra large, and a black. Okay, they were regularly $14. And I don't know, let's just do this one for $5. New maternity tights. Yay. Okay, there's like a little bag. So we'll go for this one. Maybe like a little sling bag or a backpack. Let's see. Or it could be a sling bag. What is this? You guys, this is like a yoga mat bag. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh, I love it. And y'all, we got Lululemon. That's amazing. You guys, this is great. Okay, it's in a mint green. All right. We have the Lululemon logo here. You have a pocket for a water bottle, of course, for your yoga mat. And then this back pocket. That is awesome. Y'all, my trainer that I used to use, who loves yoga, he actually teaches yoga classes at the Lululemon by me. If this was a different color, I would see if he wants this. But it's a mint green, and I don't think he's going to go for it. So I will have a price on the screen for the Lululemon yoga bag, you guys. That is awesome. Yay. Very exciting. I feel like I have a Lululemon scarf that is white and also a mint green in my closet somewhere. If I do, I may put a picture of that up on the screen if anyone's interested in that as well. We'll see. I may be wrong. All right, next up, we have this. What is this? Let's see. Oh, we have, it says hip lunch pack. It rolls down, so it's like a reusable, like little lunch kit. How sweet. Okay, like this. It's in that same color green. I love this. I feel like they sell stuff like this at the Container Store. It doesn't have a price on it, so I'm not 100% sure. But this is totally awesome. Here's how you use it. Little picture. Yay. So this is awesome. Let's do $5 on the little lunch kit, reusable lunch kit. That's adorable. All right, you guys. We got some socks. These are awesome. We have an Eileen Fisher, and you guys, these are organic cotton. I love that. Okay, these are called the Loopy Terry sock. I was gonna see if it has a size. Fits shoe size 6 to 10, so it's kind of average fit. It is 81% organic cotton, 17% nylon, and 2% spandex. And the MSRP on these, you guys, was $18. So let's see, I probably would list these for about 15. So let's say $8 on the Eileen Fisher socks. You guys, these are really soft. Yay. So we got Eileen Fisher. That's awesome. Next up, we have a little hat, it looks like. Let's see, this does have a little like tag on it. Little beanie, little person with a beanie. And there is a tag on the inside. I don't know if I can say this on camera. It was made in Peru, that I can say. And the first word begins with an S, and then it says that I knit, and it rhymes with knit. So you guys can assume. I can show you because it doesn't have the vowel in the word. But I think that's adorable. Okay, this is made from 100% Peruvian cotton, and it is crocheted. This is amazing. Have a nice little bucket hat, you guys. I thought it was a beanie at first. You guys, it's a bucket hat. Oh, it's nice. I'm going to look up this brand because this feels very high quality, and I will see kind of what these go for, and I will give you guys 50% off and have that on the screen. That is awesome, and I love the color of that. All right, looks like we just have a few items left, maybe a couple pieces of jewelry, and then, of course, that Mestizo case. So we have something in a dust bag. Oh, got a brand on here. Let's see if that is the same brand of what's inside the bag. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. I stopped for a second because I heard the dog across the street start barking, and I knew my dogs were going to start barking and then run out the door, and that's exactly what happened. Okay, so I'm thinking we have two pieces here. I'm very confused by what is happening with this. There's 3 pieces. Okay, I don't know. I may have to look this up. Could this be a purse strap? It's very long. I mean, it could be a very long necklace, I guess. But the hooks look like a purse strap. Maybe with a matching purse chain, like for charms. Where did the last piece go? And a purse handle? I don't know. I don't think this is jewelry, you guys. I don't know. I'm not really 100% sure, but you guys, this is adorable. I'm going to have to look this up and see if I'm right. Sometimes these fun boxes confuse me. Okay, so you have your gold hardware here with your branding, okay? Then you've got these little white balls, and you guys, these sweet little daisies, little daisy stations in between. I love it. You can see your branding here. Daisy, daisy, daisy. So we have this one, which again, I feel like this goes to a bag. Not sure though. This one, which again has the same branding, and it's a gold and a silver, which is a cool touch. Okay, and then you have this one, which is like the longer one, also with the daisy stations. So I'm going to try looking this up and see if I can figure out exactly what it is, see if I'm right, see if I'm wrong, and we'll go from there, you guys. Okay, so it looks like we have 3 or 4 more items. Looks like maybe we've got like a belt or something like that, like a little gold tone concho belt. Let's see. Very cool. Love this. Let's see if we see any branding on it. It's in great condition. Okay, I'll show you the back too. I don't see any branding and no hangs on it. So I don't know, not branded, really excellent condition, no wear. So this is great. I will do a measurement of this off screen, and I will put the length on the screen, and we'll just do this one for $8. You guys, that is awesome. That you can pair with anything. Love that. Okay, let's see. Oh, we got some more daisies, you guys. Okay, it's new with tags. We have Victoria's Secret. Y'all, I think these are crotchless panties. They are. Okay, we have some daisies. Very adorable. Okay, crotchless panties. And these are in a small. The retail on these was $18.95, you guys. And I mean, my favorite detail, there's a little daisy here at the top, at the back. Okay. So for the daisy panties, you guys, let's say, I don't know, I'd probably list them for 15. Let's say $8 on these two. Okay. Got a little daisy theme going too, you guys. So you could have a purse strap, if that's what that other thing was, and some matching crotchless panties. So here we go. It is a fun box. All right. We've got another piece of jewelry, also in a green. Green and daisies this time, you guys. Love this. This is beautiful. We've got a really pretty green and gold tone statement necklace. Let's see if I can get it untangled. Oh, there we go. Gives me major like Kate Spade vibes. Love that. There's a beautiful facet on each of these stones. And then the tops of these are enamel, and then the tops of these are stones. So I don't think this one is actually Kate Spade. And you guys, there is some wear to the chain here and pretty significant wear there to the clasp. So that is unfortunate. If anyone is interested in this one, we're just gonna do this one for $1. Okay, there's a lot of wear on that. That part stinks. Okay, last, certainly not least, you guys, is the Mosiso. It used to be like you got Vera Bradley in every one of these fun boxes, and now you get a Mosiso in every one. Listen, their products are pretty great. I kept the pink like bow briefcase bag, and I use it all the time, you guys. I love it. So anyways, they have good products. I know they do sell them on Amazon. There's your Mosiso branding. This one is a laptop case. You have a zip outer pocket. And this one, of course, is that beautiful green. There's your interior. Oh, and there's a little like pad. That's cute. Okay, we'll just include this in here, I guess. They don't really match though, do they? They don't really go together. All right, we'll sell them separately, and then I'll do a deal if you want to buy them together. Let's do that, okay? We've got the outer case here in this beautiful green. The inside is like little velvety, so we'll do this one for $8. And then we will do the little like comfort thing for your mouse pad. It actually goes like this. If you're interested in this, we'll do this one for $5. And if you want to do the set, y'all, I'll just do it for 10 if you want both. Okay, so that I'm going to count as one. Okay, we got the necklace for 2. We got what I think is a purse strap, maybe, I'm not sure, for 3. We got the sexy panties for 4. We got the little lunch kit for 5. We got the bucket hat for 6. The Eileen Fisher socks for 7. We got the Lululemon yoga mat bag, you guys, for 8. And we got the tights for 9. Wait a minute, did we only get 9 items? Well, maybe they're counting the mouse pad as a separate item. Probably. Oh wait, no, the belt. The belt is 10. Just kidding. 10. So technically we did get 11 items. There's that gorgeous concho belt. So a total of 10 items, 11 if you want to count the mouse pad separately. And y'all, I am thrilled again with this fun box. First of all, I love when they theme them, and this one was color themed and flower themed. And you guys, we got some great items. I'm super thrilled with that Lululemon. Depending on how much that comps out for you guys, that could pay for most or all of the box. And that hat seems really nice. And of course, like anything at Victoria's Secret usually sells pretty well for me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me. If you aren't subscribed, you guys, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. I will be back on Tuesday. I'm going to be doing a thrift haul, y'all. It's time for me to show you what I've picked up at my local thrift. So on Tuesday, we're going to do a thrift haul and jewelry sale. So make sure you come back for that. And then next Thursday, we're going to do another Thredup rescue box unboxing. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and I will see you guys back next week. Bye, y'all.